Alright, this is Safe and Sound, the design project for Embedded 2015. This is the transmitter, and over here is the receiver. This is a bike anti-theft system. So when motion is detected on the transmitter, an LED lights up. You can kind of see it in there. That is for brief motion. When motion ends, the LED stops lighting up. While motion is detected, there's a warning signal on the receiver. When motion is extended motion, which is more than 10 seconds, an alarm will sound on the transmitter, and a dangerous alarm will sound on the receiver. This system can be used up to 2 floors apart, and that's pretty much it.